Hi there, it's Sam, and with the navigation update you can build your header and footer. And in this video we'll dive into building a footer for our Shopify store. In the layout panel you can find the new layout type called navigation. And when you click on the plus icon, you can either build a header from scratch or a footer from scratch, or you can start with a template. In this case, let's open the template library, and then within the template library, we can either look for different header templates or footer templates. Now let's add this one to our project. And there we have it, a custom and responsive footer has been added. And when we preview, you can see we have the regular text element leading to different pages, and in this case, a nice ticker element, which we can of course customize. If we take a look at the layer panel, you can see that a footer functions the same as any other section or page. It consists of rows and columns, meaning you have complete freedom to create the layout you want and also insert the content types you want, from images to text to forms or to, for example, tickers, as we can see right here. In order to make the footer responsive, it works the same as with any other type of layout. Simply select the different viewport and then make it fit and look nice. Then to make the footer functional, you simply add a link to each text element. So let's say this text element is regarding collections and should lead to the collection page of our store. Then we select the layer, we go to interactions, we add a go to link click action, and then we fill in the path. So we don't need to copy and paste the entire URL. We only need to copy and paste the path. In this case, it's /collection/all, and then it will direct you to the collection page of your Shopify store, and you can choose whether it should open a new tab or not. When it comes to publishing this footer, we can do two different things. We can just publish the footer by clicking on publish. So let's first do that. But before we do this, let's give this footer a name so we can easily find it. Let's call it the instant footer, and then we click on publish. It's published to our Shopify store, so let's head to the Shopify theme editor. Here we are on the home page. Let's scroll down a little bit, and then we can add a new footer section. And there we have it, the instant footer. We add it to our store. And now we have the custom footer we created with an instant in our Shopify store. Next up, what we have to do is hide this footer section, and there we have it. The next thing we can do, so let's go back to instant, is publish this footer as our default footer. And to do that, we open up the settings of the footer, and then we click on set as main footer. Let's click on it. We get a warning message saying set this layout as your theme's main footer. A backup of the current main footer will be created and can be restored after publishing. Now let's click on publish. And now this footer is the default footer across our entire Shopify store. And that's it for this video. So I hope you have a good understanding on how to build and publish a custom footer to your Shopify store. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for more product updates.